When customers shop in the Amazon store, they are able to see all seller offers on a single product detail page. This page also shows all product versions or variations, for example, sizes or colors. This helps customers find the products they want and compare offers more easily. It also saves you, the seller, from having to recreate pages for products that already exist in the Amazon catalog. Sellers approved to sell a product are able to suggest edits to its product detail page, with some exceptions. This is different than changing your offer for a product, which you can do at any time for any products you sell. To suggest an edit to a product detail page, start by opening the Seller Central main menu. Hover over Inventory and select Manage All Inventory. On the Manage All Inventory page, find the product you'd like to suggest an edit for. At the end of the row, click on the three dots and select Edit Listing. This will take you to the Offer tab, where you can edit your offer for a product. The Offer tab is where you can edit price, sales, and item condition. You may also be able to edit options for features like gifting. As mentioned earlier, you can make changes to your offer for all products you sell, and updated information will typically appear in the Amazon store within 15 minutes. If you have permission to suggest edits to the product detail page, you'll see multiple tabs alongside the Offer tab at the top of the screen. These tabs include product details, images, variations, and safety and compliance. The Product Details tab includes essential information about a product, like item name, brand name, product description, and keywords. Note that you may not be able to suggest an edit for all fields. In the Images tab, you will be able to see all the images currently live on the product detail page. You may also be able to upload your recommendation for product images. If the product is available in different versions for color, size, style, or other attributes, you can use the Variations page for the parent product to add or edit a variation type. If you want to edit other information specific to a variation, click Edit at the end of the row to access the offer and product pages for that variation. In the Safety and Compliance tab, you will see fields related to product safety, for example, battery information. After you've made your suggested edit, click the Save and Finish button at the bottom of the page. When multiple sellers sell the same product through a single detail page, we combine and present the best product data to ensure customers get the best experience. If your suggestion is selected, it will usually appear on the product detail page within 24 hours.